Welcome to Best Choice. The best hardware nails is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any construction or DIY project, providing the crucial structural integrity that holds everything together, from framing a house to assembling furniture, ensuring that your creations stand the test of time and withstand various stresses. Number 5. Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit. Introducing the Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit, your go-to solution for various projects. This comprehensive set provides a wide range of options to meet all your needs. You'll receive 600 nails in total, thoughtfully organized into 4 distinct sizes. This variety ensures you have the perfect nail for any task, big or small. Crafted for durability, these nails are designed to resist bending during use. Their sturdy construction and sharp points make every hammering task smooth and effective. Experience the ease of use with nails that drive straight and true. Achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort, making your DIY projects more enjoyable. The included kit is designed for your convenience, allowing easy separation by size. This organization saves you time and frustration when selecting the right nail. Perfect for general repairs and woodworking, these nails are incredibly versatile. Tackle a wide array of tasks with confidence, knowing you have the right tools at hand. What we like. This kit offers a generous quantity of nails in 4 common sizes, ensuring you have plenty for various tasks. They are built to be sturdy and resist bending, providing a satisfying experience. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss option for general repairs and woodworking, this is a great choice. What people say. Great nail hanging assortment with storage container, great value and quality. This is the best assortment of nails, for that every need on the run. Lots of pieces in a little box that fits anywhere. I never had the correct size nails when needed, now I do. The Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit is a very practical and affordable option for small household projects. With 600 nails in 4 different sizes, it provides a good variety that works well for hanging pictures, light woodworking, crafts, and quick home repairs. The organized plastic case keeps the different nail sizes separated, making it easy to find the right one without mixing them up. The nails themselves are made from steel and feel reasonably sturdy for light-duty tasks. Number 4. Premium Hardware Nails Assortment Kit, 376 pieces. This comprehensive kit includes 6 different sizes of hardware nails, with a total of 376 pieces. It's designed to perfectly match the needs of all your diverse projects. Crafted with high-quality, hardened steel, these nails are built for durability. The galvanized surface provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring they meet your long-term needs. Experience superior performance with nails that are both sharp and strong. They maintain their shape, resisting bending even during demanding applications. Find the exact size you need quickly thanks to the convenient, grid-organized packaging. The durable PP box is reusable for storage, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. Perfect for a wide range of woodworking tasks, from hanging pictures to crafting and repairs. This set offers reliable and long-lasting support for DIY enthusiasts. To maintain their quality, avoid storing them in humid environments. Always close the cover after use to minimize oxidation and prolong their lifespan. What we like. With 6 different sizes and a galvanized finish for corrosion resistance, this set is designed for longevity and versatility. The convenient, reusable storage box makes organization and transport a breeze. If you need a comprehensive set for diverse projects and appreciate durability, this is the one for you. What people say. The nails are different sizes and are a good variety and come in a case. The different sizes allows for different types of things that you want to hang on your wall. This nail kit has every size I need for home projects. The nails are strong, well-made, and neatly organized in the box. Perfect for DIY and repairs. Number 3. For 30 PCS 304 Stainless Steel Nails Kit. Introducing our high-quality nails, crafted from genuine 304 stainless steel. They offer excellent durability and a beautiful finish, perfect for any project. Enjoy peace of mind with these rust-resistant nails, ideal for outdoor applications. They maintain their good gloss and integrity, indoors or out. This comprehensive kit provides a range of sizes to suit your needs, from 5/8 inch to 2 inches long. You'll always have the right size on hand. With a total of 430 pieces, including ample quantities of each size, this set ensures you have enough for all your DIY and woodworking projects. These versatile nails are perfect for all kinds of home and yard woodworking projects. They provide a reliable and strong hold for your creations. Your new set arrives in sturdy carton packaging, ensuring it's both beautiful and solid for safe storage and transport. What we like. Crafted from genuine 304 stainless steel, these nails are ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications, offering excellent rust resistance and a pleasing aesthetic. They come in a variety of lengths to suit many project needs. If you prioritize corrosion resistance and a premium material for your woodworking or yard projects, consider this option. What people say. The nails are made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and strength for various construction projects. These nails feature a unique galvanized coating that provides excellent rust resistance, making them suitable for outdoor use. The sharp, pointed tips allow for easy penetration into wood and other materials, reducing the effort required during installation. Number 2. Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit with Hammer. Introducing the Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit with Hammer. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to effortlessly hang pictures and complete various home projects. You'll receive 600 high-quality nails in 4 different sizes, along with a durable 8-ounce hammer. This ensures you have the perfect nail for any task, from hanging photos to small repairs. Crafted from galvanized iron, our nails are strong, sharp, and resistant to bending. The hammer, made of high-density carbon steel, is built to last and resist rust. Whether you're hanging artwork, mirrors, or engaging in woodworking crafts, this set is your ideal companion. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of DIY and carpentry tasks. The nails are conveniently sorted into 4 grids by size, making selection easy. The entire kit is designed for portability, simplifying your work wherever you are. Easily hang photos, art, and decorations with confidence. This kit offers the perfect combination of sizes and durability for all your household carpentry and crafting needs. What we like. This package uniquely includes not only 600 nails in 4 sizes but also an 8-ounce hammer, making it a complete picture hanging and repair solution. The nails are strong and resist bending, and the hammer is durable. If you need an all-in-one kit for hanging decorations or tackling small wood crafts and repairs, this set has you covered. What people say. There are 600 pieces of small nails in a variety of sizes, which is great because you never know what size nail you're going to need when you're hanging a picture frame or assembling a bookshelf. The assortment of nails came in really handy putting up a painting. I got frame hooks but they wouldn't hold, but these nails did the job perfectly. This little version fits my hand perfectly, the handle is comfortable, allows me to control it easily. Its size and weight belies the fact that it works just as well as a regular size. Number 1. KURUI Hardware Nails Assortment Kit. Introducing a comprehensive assortment of high-quality nails designed for all your hanging needs. This kit offers multiple sizes to perfectly accommodate various wall decorations. Crafted from galvanized high-carbon steel, these nails are built to last. Their exceptional toughness resists deformation, while the multi-layer galvanization ensures protection against rust and corrosion. Find the right nail instantly with our thoughtfully designed transparent organizer box. Each compartment neatly stores different sizes, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you're hanging canvas, photos, or frames, this versatile set has you covered. It's an ideal choice for both seasoned professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This kit provides a generous quantity of nails in various sizes, including finishing nails and flat-head nails, all conveniently packaged in a durable transparent box. What we like. Boasting the largest quantity with 700 pieces, including both finishing and frame nails in multiple sizes, this kit is built for extensive use. The galvanized high-carbon steel ensures toughness and longevity, while the organized box saves you time. If you're undertaking a large number of projects or need a wide array of nail types for hanging decor and DIY, this is an excellent value. What people say. The nails work great and are easy to use. The collection features several sizes, making it quite versatile for a variety of wall decor uses. No heads have broken off, not even when I have had to remove them with a claw hammer, so I believe the material they are made of must be fairly heavy. None have bent, even when I have loosey-goosey tried to adjust their placement by tapping them from different angles. Many different sizes. Ease of use is simply find the size you want and nail into the wall. They would function very well for many different size frames. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.